Hello, my beautiful souls. Let me ask you a question. Are you building your relationship or just repairing it? Yeah, so I want you to imagine that you are constructing a house. How would you like to construct it? What is the important factor when we construct the house? Would you rather build it with strong, lasting materials from the start, from the foundation, or you constantly patch up cracks and leaks as they appear? Right? So I realized that most people approach relationships like the repair projects, like the altering, fixing issues only when they arise, rather than designing them with intention from the beginning. So we often react to the situations out of habits, influenced by past experiences, or any hidden fears and emotional baggages. Yes or no? And shall I tell you one powerful truth? That all our fears either coming from the past or for future. We most of the time have fears for future. There is no fear in this present moment. So instead of consciously shaping our responses, we let our fixed patterns dictate our relationships. And in the end, they start leading to what? Leading to misunderstanding, conflicts, and emotional distances. Yes or no? But what if instead of reacting, you start engineering your relationship? Yeah? What if you build them on awareness, trust, and conscious communication from the start? Yeah? Is it possible? Is it possible? But how? That's the question. You must ask me. Correct? So let me give you some solutions. So, the very, very important step is to have self awareness. Recognize your emotional triggers, recognize your responses, from where it's coming. Is it out of fear? Is it coming from the past? What that insecurity is there? Yes, the second most important solution is to create intentional communication. What does that mean? So choose your words and actions with clarity rather than reacting impulsively. And never forget the powerful solution to align your energies. Build a strong relationship like a solid structure by aligning your energies. Just as every foundation in construction needs time before the brick can be laid, a relationship also needs and requires that much of patience, trust, and emotional alignment. Yes or no? So each brick represent kindness, understanding, and self-awareness. So it's very, very important and essential elements that strengthen the bond. Isn't it? Yes or no? So if you try to skip steps or rush the process, the structure becomes weak. Yes or no? Leading to cracks over time. Correct? But when you lay the foundation with care and nurture the connections and allow the relationships to grow, naturally it stands strong, just like a well built structure that lasts for years. So, guys, it's the time now for you to take out your journal and reflect on yourself. Are you building your relationship with intention, or are you just fixing problems as they come? So I want you to comment I choose if you are ready to consciously shape your relationship and share one small thing or one small change you will make it today. Let me see your reflections. Take care. Love you.